Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing very special Gauri Shankar Nepal Uttaraksha. It is only one piece in the world Gauri Shankar Uttaraksha. It is called Lord Shiva family Agni Bhagavan Gauri Shankar Uttaraksha. You can see a Trimukhi with Trimukhi. Naturally Trimukhi attached with Trimukhi. Gauri Shankar Uttaraksha. Trimukhi is for Lord Agni Bhagavan and Gauri Shankar is for Shiva and Parvati. Wonderful. And you can also see small Lord Ganesh in it. You can also see small Lord Ganesh in it. Beautiful. And you can see the full image of Lord Ganesh here. You can see a full image of Lord Ganesh here. Full image of Lord Ganesh here. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And here you can see the Shiva Parvati image. You can see Shiva and Parvati image. You can see Shiva and Parvati sitting. Totally unbelievable. Unbelievable. And here you can see if you closely watch, you can see like Lord Muruga, second son of Lord Shiva. So totally you can see Lord Shiva family in this Gauri Shankar Uttaraksha. Totally unbelievable collection. Trimukhi, natural attached with Trimukhi, just only one piece in the world, and never again like this perfect Trimukhi plus Trimukhi Gauri Shankar Nepal Uttaraksha. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.